Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar bulls put in a brief appearance and went on a short joyride to take on the challenge of the 76 handle. However, the market soon found resistance there from 76.10.15 and printed a high of 75.94. From the retreat, still keeps the bearish view towards 75.25.35. So any advances towards the 76 handle should be seen as an opportunity to short the market. From a technical point, the market is supportive of a challenge of that recent low of 75.25.35. Now, a break beneath there could give further exposure to the downside and bring in a target of 73.70. So do keep that in mind. But however, I do expect to see it hold purely for the fact we are slightly oversold from the RSI point. My concerns yesterday that the MACD hadn't fully broken down, and as you can see from the last 24 hours, the prices surged back above the 119 handle briefly. From the recent rejection from the 119.55 area, I still feel the market will find difficulty in challenging that level, with a cap now seen at 120.10.35. which was a failure in September. Overall, I expect to see the dollar index to recover. As long as we maintain above the index of 92.55, it should see further weakness, with the immediate target seen at 118.70 and then lower down towards 117.60. Well, the dollar yen case in the last 24 hours hasn't changed since its recent rally and breaking above the resistance, which was at 111.65.80. Now, at this present time, I still expect to see the bulls take the challenge towards 112.75.85, and you can see from a technical point we are firming up, so a break above there would give further scope towards 113.60. Any pullback should find support at 111.40. Well, the pound broke higher and still is overbought. I'm not comfortable at these levels, and I do expect to see a rejection soon from the recent failed area in September around 136. Overall, I do expect to see a pullback and ease out of the overbought condition and look back towards 134.40.45 as the initial support. Well, the last 2 days, gold has lost its shine and now looks towards the lows that we saw recently from the rejection of 1,270. If the market fails to recover from 1,270 and we see a break, then this would expose the lows that were seen around 1,258 to 60. The technical indications are slightly bearish in terms of the MACD just going through the zero, but I would be a little bit cautious of getting short down here because we have recently seen very strong rebounds. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market at this stage is still questioning whether we've seen a top, and as we can see the uptrend now at 56.90, a break beneath there would give further exposure to the downside. From a technical point, I am bearish, and I do expect to see a move through 56.90 and look towards 54.70 as a target. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful start to the new week.